what I do with the piano is I try to like express what I feel or experiences that I have and express it through music that is like in a magical way, like I don't know, things maybe that you cannot say with words, you know, like you somehow say it through music. The piano, what it has like a lot of colors, a lot of dynamics, and I love it, like to be able to play like alone and make a lot of different sounds.